सर वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया था।
That is muted.
सर कैसे हो आप? गुड मॉर्निंग।
Muted हो सर।
Sir, you are muted.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग।
सर आप म्यूट हो गए हो, एक बार अनम्यूट कर लो सर।
सर आपकी आवाज हम तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही है
क्योंकि आप म्यूटेड हैं।
हाँ चैतन्य, और ये कौन है? Have you any doubt related to pie chart? Pie chart में किसी को कोई
नो
प्रॉब्लम?
सर।
नो सर।
रात का बनाना है कि छत्तीसगढ़ का भी।
सर।
How to convert percentage into degree? आप परसेंटेज को डिग्री में कैसे?
Can I tell?
सर एक बार समझाओ, वापस समझ नहीं।
सर
अपन ना जैसे 50% है, अब 50% लिखिए 50/100। अब क्या सर्कल का कितना है? 360, तो इनटू 360 डिग्री।
सर लास्ट डेट 30 है ना?
Yes.
सर खाली गुजरात का बनाना है कि छत्तीसगढ़ का भी?
ये क्या लिखा है बेटा ये? हाँ कहीं छत्तीसगढ़?
तो 4 डायमेंशनल बनाना है और मतलब एकदम परफेक्ट रहना चाहिए क्या? मतलब जैसे 50% या फिर
पीपीटी या पेपर दोनों में से किसी में बना सकते हो। पीपीटी आपके लिए ज्यादा इजी होगा।
सर पीपीटी।
ओके ना, so suppose that 40%।
रीड नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सुन रहा हूँ सर का। थक गया हूँ। नहीं मैं सुन रहा हूँ पूरा सर। पाई चार्ट का फॉर्मूला भी बताया थी।
40% मींस हाउ मेनी
पढ़ रहा था अभी, ऐसे ही लेटा हूँ।
40/100 into 360।
वेरी गुड। 40/100 into
Sir, screen clear नहीं है।
यस सर, स्क्रीन इज वेरी ब्लर।
सर स्क्रीन बहुत ब्लर है।
ये आपका आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का टॉपिक है, ये कोई चैप्टर नहीं है।
सर 40% 144।
सर इसको पेपर में बनाना है क्या?
पेपर
या फिर कैसे बनाना है?
पीपीटी।
यस यस।
सर आई हैव अ डाउट। सर अलजेब्रा कब चालू कर रहे हैं? अभी लेट हो गया एकदम ना।
अलजेब्रा चलो स्टार्ट।
अरे सर अलजेब्रा में गर्दा उड़ाते हैं एकदम।
Class
Good
8,
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning. Can you hear me? Principal here.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Nobody is allowed to speak in Hindi in the class, okay?
Yes ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
all are listening to me. You better be quiet in the class when sir is teaching and taking revision. Whatever doubts you want to ask, last 5 minutes you talk. Everybody is talking and the screen is not to be seen. Is that clear?
Yes ma'am.
यस
Why
मैम।
take the revision
यस
now?
मैम।
Okay, Divakar sir, continue.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू। So now question is related to algebra. Every single term expression is monomial. True or false? Every single मैसेज में आंसर करना है।
True.
मना क्या होना, आंसर मैसेज में करो। एवरी सिंगल टर्म बोर्ड इज क्लियर?
Please check my answer. Sir, I have written my answer. Please check.
Okay, Chaitanya, false answer. Your answer is wrong.
Sir, it is showing. Divakar, sir, you are not in this meeting.
ये सर थोड़ा ब्लर भी
तो भाई
दिखा
तुम
रहा
लोग
है।
एक काम करो, लिखा हुआ है ना चैट में, तो उसमें कैरो लिखा हुआ है ना, तो उसमें क्लिक करो, सर का आइडिया आ जाएगा।
ओके, सक्षम जैन करेक्ट आंसर। दिशा सूर्यांश करेक्ट
सर
आंसर।
मेरा
बोर्ड ब्लर है।
मेरा सर लक्ष्य।
Boys, can you talk in English? How many times to tell?
Sir, is the answer correct, Naman?
Naman. Wrong answer, Naman.
Sir, why
Sir,
is
my
answer wrong?
Sir, my answer.
Disha. Wrong answer. Gunjan, correct answer. Laksh, correct answer. So Gunjan, would you like to explain this question? Gunjan.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you see my answer?
Okay, Bhumika. So every single term expression is a monomial. It is true or false?
False.
False. Why?
False.
It is a true.
Okay, wait, Chaitanya, wait. Now justify.
Yes.
Bhumika, Gunjan, explain.
Sir, कैसे?
Chaitanya, wait. करो.
Are real number?
Monomial and algebraic expression. Okay, now first आप एक एग्जांपल चलो. Monomial means 3x square.
3x square.
3x.
3x minus square.
So what is the difference? 3x square and 3x to the power minus 2.
Sir, because 3x minus square is not whole number. Minus 2 is not whole number.
Very good. Look here, it's exponent is negative number. Now, exponent is negative. Exponent is negative, it means it is a real number. It is real number, not a whole
Real
number.
number.
This one, 2. 2 means its exponent is whole number.
Whole number.
Whole number. So,
Yes.
RXW. Those expressions which are in the form of RXW, where R is real number, X is any variable,
Real number.
exponent is whole number. So, it is
Whole number.
polynomial. Or singleton is monomial. So, this one is false. ये आपको false होगा क्योंकि आप एक एग्जांपल देखो बेटा. एग्जांपल में सिंगल टर्म ले रहा हूं 3x स्क्वायर. तो 3x स्क्वायर आपका क्या है? मोनोमियल है. लेकिन 3x to the power minus 2. So 3x to the power minus 2, it is single term but it is algebraic expression. This one is algebraic expression. So after having single term, it is not considered as a monomial. It is considered as a algebraic expression because so its exponent is a real number. That's why it is not true that every single term expression is considered as a monomial.
Sir, got it.
Sir, so answer is true, na?
बेटा अभी तो
No, sir, false.
Sir, it is false.
वॉइस क्लियर है? रिप्लाई करो.
Yes, sir.
Voice clear है.
So now look here. In this expression, by questioning every single term expression is considered as a monomial. So it is true or false. Now look at another example. Another example, 3x. It is a single term. Now again 3 divided by x. It is also a single term. Now 3 root under x. It is also a single term. But look here, its exponent is 1. It means it is a whole number. So it is considered as a monomial.
Monomial.
Divided by x means
3x minus x minus 1.
negative. Means it is not a whole number. So it is not considered as a monomial. It is considered as an algebraic expression. So this one is algebraic expression. Now again, Look at this example. 3 root under x. 3 root under x means 3 x to the power 1 upon 2. So your exponent is in the form of fraction. So your exponent is in the form of fraction, and we know that fraction is not considered as a whole number. It is a real number. So that's why after having single term, it is considered as a algebraic expression. It is also a algebraic expression. Okay. So now look at 3 examples. All 3 examples are single term, but only 1 examples are related to monomial.
Monomial.
These 2 examples are not monomial, it is a algebraic expression. So what is your question? Every single term expression is a monomial. It is not true for all examples. It is true only for a special example. Look like that. Okay. So this statement is false. Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Clear.
but
Yes. Have you any doubt, Chaitanya?
सर मेरे को एक डाउट है मेरे को आई हैव वन डाउट सर दैट सर you have given a negative exponent over there, like for example 2x to the power of minus 2, and after solving it you get 1 by 2x to the whole power 2. Yes sir, but sir I have one doubt. Sir, if we just see that there is 2x to the power of minus 2, so we can assume it as a whole number, but by solving it we cannot assume it. So sir, we have not solved it. It's just written 2x to the power minus 2, so we can consider it whole number.
In message, your voice is not clear, Chaitanya. Write your question in message.
Yes sir.
Now next question, okay? Next question. Every single term expression is monomial. Is algebraic expression. It is true or false? My question is, every monomial is algebraic expression. It is true or false?
Answered, Naman.
क्या आंसर क्या आपका?
True.
Correct answer, Gunjan. Correct answer.
So, Naman.
Write your answer again, Naman. Janam, correct answer. Naman, write your answer again.
Sir, I have written it again.
Yes, correct answer. Chaitanya, Bhumika, Gunjan, reply.
Yes sir. Sir, I was telling sir,
No.
every monomial is not a algebraic expression.
No need to explain, only you have to write your answer in message. Suryansh, wrong answer. Screen is clear or not? Chaitanya, correct answer.
Sir, may I explain, Naman?
Your answer is wrong, okay? Chaitanya and Suryansh, your answer is wrong.
Sir, I will explain.
Lavanya,
Sir, may I explain, Naman? Sir, Naman.
first Naman, after that Chaitanya. Okay, explain Naman.
Sir, the formula of means monomial is R.
Wait, Naman, please tell us screen is clear or not.
So clear.
And voice.
Clear.
Sir, sorry, I want to change my answer. It's true.
So now, okay, now explain this question. Every monomial.
Sir, excuse me. Sir, my answer is not right. I'm writing my new answer, which is final.
Yes, Chetan, correct
Sir,
answer.
that is stated in simple, sir. 5 x to the power 5.
Wait. Your example
Sir,
is
may I tell, sir, please?
x to the power 5. And we do one more
Right.
example.
Sir, 6x to the power 7.
Okay, 6.
Sir, now may I?
सर एक बार फर्स्ट वाला
6 to the power minus 7. Yes, sir.
Sir, मान लो, sir, if we take for example 2, sir, it is also considered.
Wait करो
Sir,
Chetan.
may I explain?
Naman.
Sir, in algebraic expression, we want the power means real number, and whole number is also a real number. So all monomials are algebraic expressions.
Okay, Chaitanya.
Yes, sir. Sir, now my explanation. Sir, you told that every monomial is algebraic expression, true or false. Sir, in my viewpoint, it is very true, sir, because if we ignore these 5x to the power 5, just for instance, we take a number 2, and sir, you will tell that how is it a algebraic expression. We can even write it 2 into 1, and 1 we can take it at x, so 2x. And if we want to put power, so 2x to the power of 1, whole power 1.
So now, okay, your explanation is correct. Now look at another example. So its exponent is whole number. Why? Seven is also whole number now. So 6x to the power minus 7. So minus 7 is not a whole number. It is a real number. It is a real number. So what is the definition of algebraic expression? According to the definition of algebraic expression, it is in the form of r as r. It means exponent should be as a real number. So it is an algebraic expression. This one is algebraic expression. Now 6x to the power 7, its exponent is a whole number, so it is a monomial. Why? Because it is a single term. So it is a monomial. But now we know that whole number is also a real number. That's why it is also a algebraic expression. So it is true that all monomials are algebraic expression. It is true, but all algebraic expressions are monomial. It is not true. Now next example.
सर एक बार और समझा दोगे फिर शुरू से
Let's start. Naman explain. Naman,
Yes, sir. Sir, this section only.
same question को explain करो.
Yes, sir. Sir, in monomial rw to the power w,
Yes.
and for algebraic expression rw to the power r.
Wait. Naman. So
सर ये RW क्या है RW
Real number and whole number.
polynomial
सर ये RW क्या है RW
algebraic expression. Wait. Polynomial is in the form of r as w. Where w is
आर रियल नंबर होता है डब्ल्यू
अरे
होल
आप
नंबर
लाइन का
होता है
मत कराइए सर, कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे हम लोग. ये जो आर एक्स डब्ल्यू रियल नंबर
सर
है,
RWX सर
सर
RX
एडवांस मत कराइए सर.
Chaitanya. So now.
Yes,
सर
sir.
एडवांस मत कराइए सर
Exponent is as a real number. Real number.
Sir, in real number, whole number also come.
Yes. आप एक दूसरे जो मैथ में मैं क्लियर किया था ना रियल नंबर्स का. So now next
So what?
question is next question. All integers are real number. True or false?
Sir, all integers are sir, real number, it is true.
मैसेज करना है ना चैतन्य. करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट रिप्लाई करो.
Sir, Naman.
मैसेज करो.
Sir, Naman.
मैसेज करो ना नमन. यस करेक्ट आंसर.
Sir, my answer Gunjan.
करेक्ट आंसर नमन गुंजन. करेक्ट मोक्ष.
सर मैं अपना आंसर चेंज कर रहा हूँ सर, मैंने गलत बोला था, अपना आंसर मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ.
लक्ष्य.
सर अब मेरा आंसर क्या है?
जैनब. करेक्ट आंसर.
Sir, my answer is correct or not?
Sir, my Chaitanya's answer correct or not?
Sir, Laksh.
चैतन्य.
Sir, Chaitanya.
लावण्य करेक्ट है.
Sir, why?
Okay, anyone can explain?
Sir, we use integers in our real life, sir, day-to-day life. For example, for solving maths.
Yes.
And even for example, sir, if we have to calculate that, for example, how much loss is there in our business, so integers are very useful in that too.
Natural number. Natural number always starts from 1 to infinity. It is positive. Now, next one is whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this one is whole number. Now next one is integer. Integers means -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and going so on. Integers. Okay. Integers means it is also fraction. So all are included, and the combination of these numbers is known as real number. Real number. Means real number include also integer. Real number include also natural number. It include also whole number. It include also decimal number. So all integers are real number. It is true. All integers
Sir, true.
are real number. Now next question is
Real number.
so it is true. So it is true. Now next question. Next question is
Next question.
all real numbers are integers. True or false?
Sir, true.
Sir, what?
Wrong answer, Chaitanya. Next reply करो. Correct answer Jainam. Naman. Correct answer.
सर मैं अपना आंसर समझ के चेंज किया हूँ फिर से.
अच्छा. Correct answer Gunjan.
अब मेरा करेक्ट है ना सर फिर से?
गुंजन करेक्ट आंसर. ओके. सो कोई एक्सप्लेन करो इसे.
Sir, Naman.
सर मैं करूँ.
चैतन्य सर बताओ क्यों? क्योंकि सर देखो आपने जो सर्कल बनाया.
गुंजन एक्सप्लेन करो.
सर द सर्कल विच यू. सर मैं आए.
वेट करो चैतन्य. यस गुंजन.
यस सर.
एक्सप्लेन करो.
सर इसमें सर रियल नंबर में कुछ भी आ सकता है, जैसे कि रूट 5 रूट x.
सर मेरा करेक्ट है श्रेयांश. सर मेरा
एक्सप्लेन करो गुंजन, कंटिन्यू।
सर इंटीजर्स में माइनस, नेगेटिव नंबर्स, पॉजिटिव नंबर और जीरो बस आता है, पर रियल नंबर में सारे के सारे रूट।
So it is true or false? All real numbers are integers. It is true or false?
false.
Sir, if we will take 5 by 2, so 5 by 2 is not an integer.
All
It
real
is
numbers
integer.
are integers. It is false.
False.
Very good. It is false. Why? Because all real numbers means -3, okay, 0, +3, but it is also 5 by 7. It may be √3. So now these are the integers. This one is integer, but these examples are not integer. This one is fraction and this one is root. So all real numbers are integers. It is false. ये आपका false है। कोई doubt? Have you any doubt?
Sir, sir,
Yes.
sir. Sir, 5 divided by 7 और √3 ये किस में आएगा? जैसे -3 0 और 3।
ये क्या 5/7 fraction √3 means root. So √3 means it is an irrational number. It is irrational number. So all real numbers may be rational, may be irrational, may be fraction, may be decimal, okay, may be integer. It is not necessary that all real numbers will be integer. It is not necessary. It may be different type of numbers, whole number, natural number, or rational number, or irrational number. So when a statement is given such as all real numbers are integers, it is false. Clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा, थैंक यू, बाय। आपका आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का टॉपिक आपको मिल गया है और लास्ट डेट आपको मालूम है?
Thank you, sir. सर बट सारे के सारे डांस का बनाना क्या गुजरात के?
नहीं, 4 dances का। So only 4 dances का है ना?
अभी तक आपको सबमिट करना है बेटा। आपका टॉपिक जो है आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का, ड्रॉ ए पाई चार्ट रिलेटेड टू पॉपुलर डांस।
या अगर हमें एकदम परफेक्ट नहीं मिला, मतलब जैसे कि गरबा का अगर हमें मतलब एकदम परफेक्ट नहीं मिला गूगल में, तो फिर हम मतलब ऐसे अपने से ले सकते हैं क्या?
अप्रोक्सीमेट ले लेना। परफेक्ट गूगल में तो मिल जाएगा बेटा, अप्रोक्सीमेट तो मिलता है हर जगह। ओके
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, बाय सर।
बाय।